So I'll be showing you how to delete or remove languages from your iPhone keyboard. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but it's the same instructions for previous iPhones and also iPads. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to General, tap on that. Under General, go to Keyboard, tap on that, and then tap on Keyboards at the top there, and then you should see all the languages installed on your keyboard. So find the language you want to remove. So for instance, if I want to remove French, all I need to do is slide French to the left and then tap on delete. And I can do that for all the languages I want to remove. Unfortunately, you have to do it one by one, just like that. Or you can go to edit in the top right corner and just go ahead and delete all the languages quickly. Just tap on the red minus icon and delete. And that's basically how to delete, and then tap on done to save your changes. And that's how to delete or remove extra unwanted languages from your iPhone's keyboard. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.